Plex Mobile is a shop floor mobile application that makes manufacturing employees' jobs easier with greater control and efficiency by simplifying usage and streamlining tasks. Plex Mobile delivers an intuitive experience so users enjoy familiar navigation and guided interaction walks them through logical tasks. Second, Plex Mobile is tailored for specific roles. Menus are personalized by user login to focus on specific functions and tasks. By designing with user-centric tasks and workflow in mind, Plex Mobile minimizes manual inputs and avoids excessive menu navigation. And finally, Plex Mobile leverages interconnected operations for flexibility to work with modern tools like scanners, sensors, smart glasses, and other tools that connect operations and complement the untethered workforce. Plex Mobile is also designed to take advantage of native device capabilities like the device camera, Bluetooth scanning, vibration and audio confirmation, voice, and more. So let's look at a common shop floor activity, materials receiving. Let's say a materials handler, John, is receiving materials against an EDI ASN or automatic shipping notification. John uses Plex Mobile instead of manual printing and dealing with paperwork. We'll start with the process of finalizing containers that have been received. John, for this example, could be using a finger scanner tethered to the mobile device via Bluetooth for this demo. The app guides the user through the process. John simply scans a container and validates the shipper number with a click, and a list of containers is shown. The visualization makes it easy to compare what's scanned to what's been received. A counter helps John validate that all containers are successfully received, and items can be selected one at a time, but he could also finalize the rest of them at once by holding down the check mark, which multi-selects the whole list. Once all containers are selected, John goes to the summary page and then finalizes inventory. Simple, quick, and intuitive as the application guides the user. John's work is done. Now let's turn to Laura, a high-low operator. She has the same home screen, but she might be using a tablet mounted on her forklift. Laura is going to move materials for us. In this scenario, she could be using a paired handheld scanner as well. Laura starts scanning one barcode after another, and then she puts the material away by selecting Put and a location. If Laura wants to double-check details, she has the ability to drill down by expanding this section. In this case, the red triangles indicate locations that are low on this material. She puts the container away, and then she uses a long press and selects the rest of the containers and receives a confirmation. Done. Plex Mobile, making manufacturing employees' jobs easier with an intuitive, tailored, interconnected experience.